It's not has been getting up.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Disturbing bourbon.
Okay, cool. Alright. So you know what's in here?
Huh?
You want to know what's in here? Or?
I heard that you got 4 by 18s.
Yes. Right? Yep. 4.5 Neo 4.7 18s. Alright. There you Pretty crazy loud. Ever heard something like that before? No. Well, that's cool. Man. I'll give you the lows now, so you can see how I play lows, windy too. Oh yeah, the high note with that window up is what I made the system for, to be really loud like that. So, yeah, man, thanks for coming to watch. You're welcome. Thanks for watching my videos too, man.
How do you?
Oh, okay. All right. You have a good day, man.
You
have fun. You're welcome. Yeah, the higher note really hurts. And that's about a 63 dB right there. Yep. 163. Mid-60s almost, yeah.
last time, what is it? I think he used to have a flat brother.
Yeah.
And, who it was? That's not one match down.
Yeah. Well, because once you get to a certain point, the subs are just taking too much use.
Do you bundles where your subs move and then they just fucking like kind of like look like they're not?
That's only, it depends on the frequency. Yeah, it depends on the frequency. Now, if you're playing really hard and it goes from moving to not moving, you gotta be careful. That'll lock the coil. The coil will lock up, and then after that, I've never clamped it, but I'm probably giving them around 3 to 4K watts to play for power. 4 Bravo 8Ks. And it'll drop into high 11s if I turn it up all the way. That hurt me. Yeah. Pretty loud though. Thanks for coming here. Yeah! That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know how to hold my
hold my breath.
Oh yeah, if you hold your breath, that's all you need to do.
A lot of
Thanks for
people don't
coming
know
here.
that. They start panicking.
Yeah, once you get to a certain point though, your body is not healthy for it.
No.
So that's the higher note. That's 47 hertz. That one was. I'll demo down lows, but most of the day I've been just demoing the higher notes. So,
Yeah.
because everybody plays lows. I know you like lows, though. You want to hear some lows?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll play it with the window down now.
Okay.
That's the whole reason I'm not sitting in
That
there.
thing's brutal.
All right, so now we'll just play. We'll play 26 hertz. Let's do it.
So finally, we got Jacob Viral.
So that'll play the lows too.
Hell yeah, I'm surprised.
Yeah, it's not a burnt box.
Yeah.
It's not a burnt box. Unless it's like 2 or 3 hours, just because it's only comfortable to drive.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah. All right, so
It's brutal.
yeah, it'll do 63s on music when I have the window up. So I'll give you the hot seat. Yours is really low end, so you'll probably feel different when you hear this, because this is more high notes. I can play lows, but I'm keeping the highs today. All right. That's about a 163 to the headrest right there. I was for the higher note. So it's 418s, 4.7 Neos. Yeah. The low notes, it'll do lows, but it's not as brutal.
I like that.
Yes, sir.
One more. Yeah, yo, bought me head down.
Yeah, it'll play the lows, but it's not as loud.
That's okay, boy. Man, I know.
Yeah, you don't
I
expect
never had nothing hurt me like that. Boy,
Nothing like
I'll
that,
tell you
yeah?
that right now. I was having a lot of them, man. None of them hurt me like that.
Appreciate it. It was a goal of mine to try to be musical, but still kill you with a high
Yeah,
note.
you did it.
And it was cheap power, so I only have 4 8Ks at one on.
Okay.
So it's probably around 12,000 watts of plant power to do what I gave you.
Snot has been getting up.
Booger's coming out.
Now try again.
You just gotta slow your breathing.
Oh, you're not snot out.
Still get some more?
I can give him more, yeah.
I might want some redemption. I don't know the else. It's like you can't control it. He said he gave you 2 clicks more than I got. Yeah, YouTube compared to this.
What's up?
I said YouTube compared to this.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.